naman.
Hello.
Thank you. Thanks, Echo.
No,
Echo,
thank you.
Thank you for surprising Kay. Pero alam mo, pagbalik ninyo dito, pag ipropromote na yung movie nyo, I'm sure excited lalo ang fans ninyo kasi we'll see some scenes, di ba? Diba, no, ako, I'm excited to see this movie.
The accidental love team.
Parang, no, but you're bagay.
Yeah,
How nice on screen.
It's really, I'm having fun. Thank you for taking care of me on the set.
Thank you for doing the movie with Casey,
Oh,
Echo. Thank you. Eto naman, Echo, after your surprise, narito naman ang mga kaibigan na gusto bumati rin sa ating birthday girl. Panoorin na lang po natin.
Bax! Happy birthday! And I know you've been living a blast, no? Having a blast with your life. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo and rest assured that whatever risks you take with your life, with your career, nandito kami ni AJ, ni Ate Juday. Nandito kami to support you. And, you know, whenever you feel like you just want to chill out, whenever you just want to kick back and relax, welcome ka lagi sa amin. And basta yung mga love life, kaya mo na yan. Basta balitaan mo na lang kami, ha? Nang hindi kami nasusurpresa. Happy birthday, Case.
Para sa aming nag-iisang anak na galunggong na si Cassandra, happy birthday sa'yo, babe. Well, what else can I say? Lahat na ata ng klase ng talento, hinakot mo na. Mapakanta, mapasayaw, mapapaglipad, pag-arte. Lahat na sa'yo na. Ang masasabi ko lang, just keep up the good work. And always remember that there are people around you that really loves you a lot and who would really care for you, no matter what happens. Don't forget to thank God sa lahat ng mga blessings mo. At alam mo naman, tatawagan mo lang naman kami ng kuya mo pag may problema ka eh. Andito lang kami. We're very proud of you and ito lang advice ko sa'yo. Hindi lahat ng dapat tama, okay? At hindi lahat ng tama ay dapat.
Ang galing!
I love you, babe. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Ang galing lang kapatid.
Makinig ka sa kanya.
Ay, ang ganda naman ang message nila.
Anong gusto mong sabihin kay AJ at saka kay AJ?
KR and AJ, Kuya Ryan and Ate Juday, I love you so much. Thank you. I love you. I love you very much and hope for more beach memories to come.
Yes, thank you sis. Thank you, Rai. At meron pa kaming birthday gift para kay Casey na pati kayo ay sigurado mag-e-enjoy sa pagbabalik lamang na...
Sa mundo ng surveys,